got special hair, haven't you? Ooh, green hair. So we're up and we're out and we're out and about. Woo! We're going trucking. We're going trucking, but we're getting dropped off at second-hand shops, aren't we? But we've not got long. We've only got like an hour, but we're going to go. I think there's 3 second-hand shops, so we're going for a really fast rummage, aren't we? So who have you got with you today, Ruby?
Clementine.
She's lovely, isn't she?
And her toy hedgehog squishy.
Ooh. And is Vintage Ken okay?
Yeah.
Did he settle in alright with Barbie?
He's asleep at the moment.
Is he?
He's lazy.
Oh dear. Right, well, off we go rummaging. Oh, I was going to show you some lovely English countryside, but as usual, the bushes have got in the way. The bushes always get in the blooming way. We're driving along. I don't know where we're going, but we're driving along. Oh. So if you're not from England, these are little English country roads. We're stuck at the train line. Which direction do you think the train's going to come from?
Left.
So you think it's going to go that way? Okay, I think it's going to go the other way. That way. Who's going to be right? Is it coming?
Is it? I don't know.
Do you think that man's going fishing?
Yeah.
Is it coming? Can you hear the train?
No.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh. Ah, you're right. Yay! Ruby was right. Off we go. Right. Here's the train line. I'll try and show it. There we go. That's the train lines. Off we go. Right, we've only got about an hour, Ruby, so we need to be quick.
We haven't been here for a long time.
No, we've only been here once, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a chihuahua in the window. Oh.
He's cute. Clips. I put playing cards from the Magic Tricks.
Oh.
2 squishies.
Oh.
And then Harry Potter gadget.
Oh.
And the
Oh,
goals.
yeah.
Play the song, it was cry.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, because remember when they did their leave assembly?
That's so cool.
Exactly.
Isn't it? I love it.
I don't get why I got
What's that
half
great big thing? Oh, telescope.
Wow.
Wow.
I don't get why I got half it. I've got my dog and 2 squishies. Liberty.
Yeah, that is what it's called, isn't it?
Yeah. That's your Liberty.
Oh, they've got another pink mini.
Oh, what?
Oh, they've got 2. Sorry.
Fine.
Did you? You went in the boots?
Oh, did I? Oh, we missed that then, didn't we? You got to it before you.
Santa.
also need to go.
Oh, green van. Oh, the vans they are. Vans.
I love them. Is that a coin?
What's that?
It's a coin.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Just looking. Spend, save, spree.
What's green? Golden. It's like stuff.
Right, we've got to go already. Where is he? Can you see him?
What car?
He's coming to pick us up somewhere.
Is he in the truck?
He's still in his trucky Wally, he's not in a car. Oh, all these lovely shops and we're not going to get to go in there. It's not fair. He could have given us 5 more minutes, couldn't he,
No, but
Ruby?
then I've got to play with my friend.
Back in the car. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
It was fast, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're fast shoppers, we are. We still managed to buy something. We're super fast shoppers, aren't we?
Yeah.
So I got 2 black tops. Ruby got
2 squishies, a little dog and Anna.
yeah, and I even got a sparkly blanket for my sofa. It's really, really soft and really nice. Yay! Shopping, quick shopping trip complete. So now we need to get home. What time is it, Ruby? Do you know?
Dinner time.
Well, it's 10 to 12, so dash home, get some dinner. Ruby's going out to play with a friend, and I might do some gardening. I don't know yet. Off we go. He's a man on a mission, isn't he? Oh, look at the bridge. That's a good old River Trent. We've made it home. So there's my little dinner. So I've got seafood sticks, little tomatoes, mackerel in olive oil, and then my mug of the day. I thought it was a very suitable mug for today. I love shopping. So I'm gonna have a quick dinner and then probably go and do some gardening or something while the sun's out. Dinner was very nice, but now I need to get motivated. I'm just sat in the chair, I can't bother to move. Oh, right, come on Janie, get motivated. Right, I'm feeling motivated now. So now we need to do some gardening. Oh, I've got so much gardening to do because obviously I've had a bad back, so I haven't done loads. So we need to crack on. That's a token gesture, just doing a bit of sweeping.
What?
I think that's just a token gesture, just doing a bit of sweeping. Let's do some actual cutting. Gardening is extremely hard work. I'm so hot and so worn out. Ooh, my new fence has been delivered. So that's the rest of my back fence that's been delivered. Yes. Ouch, I'm injured. If you're squeamish, look away now. It's not that bad though, honestly. But right, are you ready? I've cut my leg. Ow. I'd got my secateurs in my hand and I had a ladybird in my leg, and I went to move the ladybird and I managed to slash my leg. Oh. So I've been bleeding, and it's one of those cuts that you kind of know you'd hurt yourself but didn't really think about it, and I carried on gardening and then I looked down and realised I was bleeding. So I'm just going to clean it up and put plaster on it. Oh dear, I don't like blood. Ugh, horrible. You can look back now, the blood's gone. Back outside, it's 5 o'clock and we're still gardening. So hot. Oh, it's 6 o'clock and I've come back inside and realised I've got washing up to do and tea to cook. But I've only got to cook for me and my hubby because Ruby's gone to a friend's and James is working, so only tea for 2 tonight. Right, I've rustled up some tea. So tonight we've got sausage and cheese paninis, salad, some little garlic dough ball things, some coleslaw. So I have to enjoy my naughty tea. The combine's in the field. Look at the dust. I'm glad the wind's not blowing this way. what you get when you live behind a field. How cool is this? Hope you're enjoying the combining. It's so interesting. Can't believe it, can you? Stand in your own house and watch that. It's amazing. The combine's on his way back. Well, I think it is. Sounds like it is. It's all action tonight.
That long, does it?
so dirty from the gardening. Oh, so I hope you enjoyed my little vlog. I hope you enjoyed the combining in the field. Obviously they don't do it very often, so it's just so interesting when we do catch it. We never know when they're going to do it, so it's so lucky if you're here. So I was really glad that I caught that to show you. So if you do enjoy life in England, in the countryside, please subscribe to my channel and come and find me on Instagram as Mrs. Crazy Bag Lady, and my Depop shop is pinkcar07. So I love you and leave you, and I'll speak to you soon tomorrow. Bye!